Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame, or make a hold frame in your video. First, find the exact frame in your clip that you want to freeze on the timeline. You can move frame by frame using the arrow keys until you've got the perfect spot. Once you're there, right click on your clip and choose Add Frame Hold. Premiere will automatically pause the video on that frame for the rest of the clip, and you can make the freeze frame last however long you want. If you only want to freeze for a short section like a pause or highlight, cut the clip at that frame using the razor tool. Now right click that small section and choose Add Frame Hold just on that part. And once you zoom out, you can move the rest of the clip and extend the frame hold. Make it last how much you want, bring our old clip back, and now we have a short freeze in the middle of our video. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.